What is happening, and welcome to a new episode of Copilot Prompt of the Week. This week, a good friend of mine downloaded a template online for a newsletter, and it contained 3 fonts that he didn't have on his Windows 11 machine yet. So upon extracting the font, he noticed that he needed to add 30 different fonts to his system in order to use that template. Now I know that Powershell is capable of doing this, so I have 2 choices. One, I go the manual route, which will probably take me 10 to 15 minutes to click all these fonts, or I can see if Copilot can help me create some PowerShell code. So let's jump into Copilot. So here's the prompt. Today I would like you to be my PowerShell expert. Could you please help me write the PowerShell code to install the .otf font files in the current directory into Windows 11? Now Copilot using GPT-4 and soon GPT-4o is very good at creating code. So here we see 2 different options. One, using the file explorer, which is something we don't want because that will typically take a lot of time. And then 2 is use PowerShell. So we're going to open PowerShell, navigate to the directory containing the files, we run the code, perfect. So as you see, within a couple of seconds you have the PowerShell code and the instructions that you can use. Now if for some reason the code doesn't work, you can always go back and ask Copilot to help and troubleshoot the issue. That's the Copilot Prompt of the Week. Looking forward to see you again next week. Make sure to like and subscribe.